In problem 5.15, we're asked to start from this first system equation and prove that it's the same as this system equation with this equality. So how do we do it? Well, first of all, we are gonna have to rewrite the first system equation in terms of in terms of t, in terms of t prime. Remember, if I change everything to t prime, all the t's to t prime, then it just works. It's fine because it's in terms of t prime now. So now I'm going to change, instead of t prime, I'm going to use t plus t naught. So x of t prime is equals to a1 cosine of w times t plus t naught plus phase shifted x, and then the y in terms of t prime is equals to a2 cosine of w times t plus t naught plus phase shift, minus in both cases, minus phase shift in x and minus phase shift in y. So now I can solve this and say, well, multiply it. So x in terms of t prime is equals to a1 cosine of wt plus wt naught minus phase shifted x, then y in terms of t prime is equals to a2 cosine of wt plus wt naught minus the phase shifted y. Now, one of the things I'm going to put is that wt naught is equals to phase shifted x. So let's rewrite our things. Let's rewrite our equation. So we're going to have x of t prime is equals to a1 cosine of wt, and then instead of writing wt naught, we're going to write the x, the phase shift x. So plus phase shift x minus phase shift x, and then y in terms of t prime is equals to a2 cosine of wt plus, again, instead of writing wt naught, we're going to write phase shifted x minus phase shifted y. So now we're going to have to do these two up here cancel each other out. So x t prime becomes a1. Actually, let me move everything down one line. So we're going to have a1 cosine of wt, and then y in terms of t prime is going to be equals to a2 cosine of wt, and then here we're going to do a little work on this thing. So we can call this, for example, negative phase shift, because I want, for example, to say that phase shift, like we were told before, phase shift in y minus phase shift in x is equals to our phase shift level. It means that, well, if I want the negative there, so I want this, shift in y minus phase shift in x is equals to negative phase shift. Then I'm going to have to move the signs, so I'm going to have phase shifted x minus phase shifted y equals to negative phase shift, which is exactly what we have. So I'm going to have this, and we can rewrite this as negative phase shift. And as you can see, we prove that our system equation is the same with this substitution, that it's exactly what I wrote down here. And that is the solution to our problem.